So first of all, you must go to the settings of your phone, and from here you can take about phone, and in this about phone you can see this is the MIUI version, MIUI 2. You can simply click here, and now you can see that here comes a three dot at the top position. You must simply click this three dot, and here comes the option to choose download latest package, settings, what's new, more, etc. And from here you can simply click the settings, and in this settings, so if you turn this on, then you can download automatically when update is available. So download required updates when connected to Wi-Fi. Then this is on, then download using mobile data. And our topic is how to install automatically, so update MIUI automatically at night when you aren't using the device. Or doing this feature, you must simply turn on this button. So if you enable this switch, then MIUI update will be installed automatically. So remember, if you wish to update MIUI automatically at night, you must simply turn on this switch. And if you did not wish to turn this or enable this feature, you can turn off like this. So if you wish to install automatically update MIUI update, you can simply turn on this, and either you must connect it to your Wi-Fi or mobile network. So either Wi-Fi or mobile network should be on. Hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers and Online. Thank you.